Trias is one of the most ambitious blockchain projects raised funds in 2018. The project aims to solve a few of the most daunting problems blockchains face, such as trusted systems, scalability, and security. But only this doesn't make crypto appealing anymore, right? So keep on watching this video where we'll talk about everything you need to know about the Trias token. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Trias is. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Trias, trustworthy and reliable intelligent autonomous systems, is a full-stack decentralized cloud computing infrastructure and ecosystem for all-scale and enterprise-ready applications. It aims to build trust in all machines that produce data, such as self-driving cars, manufacturing machines, dApps, and more. It does this by providing firm assurance that these machines will always perform the way they are supposed to and process the correct data. But what is cloud infrastructure? Cloud infrastructure refers to the hardware and software components that are required to support the computing requirements of a cloud computing model. The features such as servers, storage, network, and virtualization software. In the current cloud infrastructure, the power to govern these components, software, and hardware is in the hands of the centralized authorities that make decisions and rules. As a user, it is only possible to use this infrastructure by accepting the centralized authorities' terms and conditions. The devices, software, and servers work in accordance with the terms laid by the organization that is running these services. The examples of cloud infrastructure providers: Apple, Amazon, Xiaomi, and more. With over 12 years of research experience in trusted computing, cloud security, and cryptography, Dr. Anbang Ruan, the founder of Trias, leads a talented and robust team of more than 70 members. Trias also has many partnerships, including the Taizhou Innovation Center of Yangtze Delta Region Institute of Tsinghua University, Shanghai Open Source Information Technology Association, Mitsubishi, and Dago Finance. They are currently working with the Chinese government to implement their technology. Trias is composed of 3 layers: Leviathan, Prometh, and Carta. These layers have their own token economics that also rewards operators. Leviathan integrates trusted execution environments and heterogeneous consensus graph, a graph computing algorithm similar to Hasgraph or GAGs. This layer ensures the integrity of the computing nodes that serves as the underlying -1 layer for other public chains, including Ethereum and Hyperledger. Prometh combines formal verification and DevSecOps methodologies to achieve traceable and verifiable general-purpose software development. This creates secured, reusable software components and applications for companies to implement. And finally, Carta is a consensus-oriented programming paradigm to achieve a self-defined consensus strategy for high-order enterprise dApps. It uses smart contract languages to schedule and coordinate Prometh applications on the Leviathan network. So is Trias similar to Ethereum? Well, Ethereum is a virtual machine with the capabilities to execute smart contracts. It is a decentralized system that is run by nodes around the world. It is completely autonomous and does not have a centralized point of failure. It allows users to create decentralized applications on its platform. Ethereum is a Layer 1 protocol and supports applications on top of it. Trias, on the other hand, is a decentralized cloud computing infrastructure. A -1 layer protocol could support public blockchains like Ethereum. Trias could provide high scalability properties to Ethereum and increase the current transactions on Ethereum by over 100k TPS using a single shard. Trias also supports smart contracts and allows users to build decentralized applications that are far superior to Ethereum in terms of scalability. The enterprise applications that require high scalability due to their degree of usage could benefit from the applications built on the Trias blockchain. Users are rewarded with Trias tokens when they participate in different operating roles within the 3 layers Leviathan, Prometh, Carta. Staking will be available in the future, but not at this time. 10 million total supply, with 5 million circulating. All seed sale is unlocked, no private sale, available on ETH and BSC, and is listed on KuCoin, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap. Trias is a complex project with several different aspects that aim to reshape the entire cloud computing industry. Given the team's strength, functioning product, and the strong development team behind the Triathlon project, The future is looking bright for Trias. With that said, the biggest concern for Trias is future competition and the scaling of the project. Currently, only companies in China and Japan are using Trias. Will the team be able to expand the implementation of their product on a global scale, especially if and when the current centralized cloud leaders jump into the blockchain space? That is the question that only time will tell. Trias Token is now widely known in the world of cryptocurrency with the status of being very promising crypto. Trias Token is a serious project with a strong team behind the crypto with a lot of expertise. At present, Trias Token is developing into one of the largest cryptocurrencies worldwide. Partly due to partnerships with a number of large companies and social acceptance of Trias Token, the Trias Token future looks very bright. These two factors also contribute to the fact that the Trias Token price prediction for 2022 is perfect. The price is rising because more and more people are investing in this cryptocurrency. Many cryptocurrency experts believe that the Trias Token price will rise sharply in the future. This is partly because the crypto market in general is on the rise and is becoming more widely known. There are even governments that are concerned with it. However, you can call the crypto market highly volatile. Significant price increases and price decreases can take place at short notice. At the time this video is uploaded, the live Trias Token price today is $5.85, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,791,010. Trias Token is up 9.53% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is 1001, with a live market cap of $9,354,017. It has a circulating supply of 1.6 million Trias coins, and the maximum supply is unavailable. Trias Token's present price range might interest many traders, and because of this, Trias can reach $10.01 by 2022 with substantial cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are satisfied. With an average price of $8.65 for 2022, it can beat the latest price trend to reach new highs. The price tag line can vary as the crypto market can see another bullish trend on its way to 2022. There is a considerably higher chance that the price of Trias Token new will increase to $280.44 in 10 years. The value of one Trias Token can surpass a minimum fee of $273.01 and a maximum price of $311.91 within the next 8 to 10 years. You can purchase Trias through KuCoin exchange, similarly to buying another cryptocurrency. You can either place a market buy or a limit buy. With a limit buy, you determine the price you are willing to pay, and your order gets filled once the token price reaches your limit price. If you want to get your hands on the token quickly, you can place a market order where you agree to pay the current price and have your order filled almost immediately. If you are interested in purchasing Trias, you can visit KuCoin or PancakeSwap. Trias Token was the subject of our discussion. Because of its potential and relevance, every investment made in it will pay off. A good investment indeed if you want to hold the coin for a long time. To be clear, these forecasts are not usually the most critical factor in making a purchase choice. The long-term investment in this crypto appears to be a sound option to consider. As a result of the price evolution and projections, the graphs for Trias Token will go up and down in the future. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are volatile. Consequently, any forecasts are hypothetical. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Trias? Let us know in the comments section below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.